أَمَّنْ خَلَقَ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ وَأَنزَلَ لَكُم مِّنَ السَّمَاءِ مَاءً فَأَنبَتْنَا بِهِ حَدَائِقَ ذَاتَ بَهْجَةٍ ما كان لكم أن تنبتوا شجرها أإله مع الله بل هم قوم يعدلون.
Or he who created the heavens and the earth and sent down water from the sky for you, so we made magnificent gardens to grow with it, i.e., the water. It was not possible for you to make their trees grow. Is there a God with Allah? Certainly not. Rather, they are a nation who ascribe partners to Allah.
أَمَّنْ جَعَلَ الْأَرْضَ قَرَارًا وَجَعَلَ خِلَالَهَا أَنْهَارًا وَجَعَلَ لَهَا رَوَاسِيَ وَجَعَلَ بَيْنَ الْبَحْرَيْنِ حَاجِزًا أَإِلَهٌ مَّعَ اللَّهِ بل أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
Or he who created the earth as residence, and created rivers between it, and created anchors for it, and created a barrier between two seas. Is there a God with Allah? Certainly not. Rather, most of them do not know.
أَمَّنْ يُجِيبُ الْمُضْطَرَّ إِذَا دَعَاهُ وَيَكْشِفُ السُّوءَ وَيَجْعَلُكُمْ خُلَفَاءَ الْأَرْضِ أَإِلَهٌ مَّعَ اللَّهِ قَلِيلًا مَا تَذَكَّرُونَ.
Or he who answers the call of the one in dire need when he supplicates to him, and he repels evil and makes you inheritors of the earth. Is there a God with Allah? You seldom heed advice.
أَمَّنْ يَهْدِيكُمْ فِي ظُلُمَاتِ الْبَرِّ وَالْبَحْرِ وَمَنْ يُرْسِلُ الرِّيَاحَ بُشْرًا بَيْنَ يَدَيْ رَحْمَتِهِ أإله مع الله تعالى الله عما يشركون.
Or he who guides you in the darkness of land and sea, and who sends winds as glad tidings before his mercy. Is there a God with Allah? Allah is exalted above what they ascribe as partners.
أَمَّنْ يَبْدَأُ الْخَلْقَ ثُمَّ يُعِيدُهُ وَمَنْ يَرْزُقُكُم مِّنَ السَّمَاءِ وَالْأَرْضِ أَإِلَهٌ مَّعَ اللَّهِ قُلْ هَاتُوا بُرْهَانَكُمْ إِن كُنتُمْ صَادِقِينَ.
Or he who originates the creation, then he will create it again, and who provides sustenance to you from the sky and the earth. Is there a God with Allah? Say, bring forth your proof if you are truthful.
قُل لَّا يَعْلَمُ مَن فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ الْغَيْبَ إِلَّا اللَّهُ وَمَا يَشْعُرُونَ أَيَّانَ يُبْعَثُونَ.
Say, no one in the heavens and the earth knows the unseen except Allah, and they do not know when they will be resurrected.
بل ادارك علمهم في الآخرة بل هم في شك منها بل هم منها عمون.
Has their knowledge of the hereafter become complete? Rather, they are in doubt concerning it. In fact, they are blind to it.
وقال الذين كفروا أإذا كنا ترابا وآباؤنا أإنا لمخرجون.
And the disbelievers said, when we and our forefathers become dust, will we then be brought forth?
لقد وعدنا هذا نحن وآباؤنا من قبل إن هذا إلا أساطير الأولين.
This was certainly promised to us and our forefathers previously. These are only fabricated tales of previous communities.
قل سيروا في الأرض فانظروا كيف كان عاقبة المجرمين.
Say, explore the earth, so see what became of the wrongdoers.
ولا تحزن عليهم ولا تكن في ضيق مما يمكرون.
Dear beloved Prophet, do not grieve upon them, and do not be constricted due to that which they plot.
ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين.
And they say, when will this promise come to pass? If you are truthful, tell us.
قل عسى أن يكون ردف لكم بعض الذي تستعجلون.
Say, perhaps some of that which you seek in haste is behind you.
وإن ربك لذو فضل على الناس ولكن أكثرهم لا يشكرون.
And indeed, your Lord is most gracious to the people. However, most of them do not express gratitude.
وإن ربك ليعلم ما تكن صدورهم وما يعلنون.
And indeed, your Lord knows that which their hearts conceal and that which they reveal.
وما من غائبة في السماء والأرض إلا في كتاب مبين.
And there is nothing of the unseen in the sky and the earth except it is mentioned in a relating book.
إن هذا القرآن يقص على بني إسرائيل أكثر الذي هم فيه يختلفون.
This Quran relates to the children of Israel about much of what they dispute.
وإنه لهدى ورحمة للمؤمنين.
It is guidance and mercy for the believers.
إن ربك يقضي بينهم بحكمه وهو العزيز العليم.
Your Lord will decide between them with His command, and He is the most exalted, the all-knowing.
فتوكل على الله إنك على الحق المبين.
So place your trust in Allah. Indeed, you are upon the clear truth.
إنك لا تسمع الموتى ولا تسمع الصم الدعاء إذا ولوا مدبرين.
Surely you can neither make the dead hear nor make the deaf hear your call when they turn their backs in retreat.
وما أنت بهادي العمي عن ضلالتهم إن تسمع إلا من يؤمن بآياتنا فهم مسلمون.
And you are not one to guide the blind from their misguidance. You can only make those who believe in our verses hear you, so they are obedient.
وإذا وقع القول عليهم أخرجنا لهم دابة من الأرض تكلمهم أن الناس كانوا بآياتنا لا يوقنون.
And when the word will come to pass against them, we will bring forth a beast from the earth for them which will speak to them, as people were not certain of our verses.
ويوم نحشر من كل أمة فوجا ممن يكذب بآياتنا فهم يوزعون.
And remember the day when we will gather from every nation a group of those who denied our verses, so they will be restrained.
حتى إذا جاءوا قال أكذبتم بآياتي ولم تحيطوا بها علما أم ماذا كنتم تعملون.
Until when they come, He, Allah, will say, did you deny my verses, even though your knowledge had not encompassed them? Or what were you doing?
ووقع القول عليهم بما ظلموا فهم لا ينطقون.
And the word came to pass against them due to their oppression, so they do not speak.
ألم يروا أنا جعلنا الليل ليسكنوا فيه والنهار مبصرا إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يؤمنون.
Did they not see that we created the night that they may rest therein, and the day an awakener? In this there are signs for the people of faith.
ويوم ينفخ في الصور ففزع من في السماوات ومن في الأرض إلا من شاء الله وكل أتوه داخرين.
And the day the horn will be blown, then whosoever is in the heavens and the earth will be terrified, except those whom Allah wills, and all will come to Him with humility.
وترى الجبال تحسبها جامدة وهي تمر مر السحاب صنع الله الذي أتقن كل شيء إنه خبير بما تفعلون.
And you will see mountains, you will consider them to be anchored, even though they will be moving like clouds. This is the creating of Allah who strengthened everything. He is aware of all that you do.
من جاء بالحسنة فله خير منها وهم من فزع يومئذ آمنون.
Whosoever brings a good deed, then for him there is something better than it as reward, and they will be safe from the terror of that day.
ومن جاء بالسيئة فكبت وجوههم في النار هل تجزون إلا ما كنتم تعملون.
And whosoever brings evil, so their faces will be cast into the fire. O people, you will only be recompensed for what you used to do.
إنما أمرت أن أعبد رب هذه البلدة الذي حرمها وله كل شيء وأمرت أن أكون من المسلمين.
I have only been commanded to worship the Lord of this city, i.e. Makkah, who made it sacred, and everything belongs to him, and I have been commanded to remain among the obedient.
وأن أتلو القرآن فمن اهتدى فإنما يهتدي لنفسه ومن ضل فقل إنما أنا من المنذرين.
And this, that I recite the Quran, so whosoever attained guidance, so he only attains guidance for himself. And whosoever is misguided, so say, I am only among the warners.
وقل الحمد لله سيريكم آياته فتعرفونها وما ربك بغافل عما تعملون.
And say, all praise is for Allah. Soon He will show you His signs, then you will recognize them. And dear beloved Prophet, your Lord, O people, is not unaware of what you do. Surah Al-Qasas, the accounts. This surah is Meccan, containing 9 sections and 88 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful. طاسين ميم.
تلك آيات الكتاب المبين.
These are verses of the illuminating book.
نتلو عليك من نبأ موسى وفرعون بالحق لقوم يؤمنون.
We recite to you the account of Musa and Pharaoh with truth for the people of faith.
إن فرعون علا في الأرض وجعل أهلها شيعا يستضعف طائفة منهم يذبح أبناءهم ويستحيي نساءهم إنه كان من المفسدين.
Pharaoh expressed arrogance in the earth and made its inhabitants into various groups. He weakened a group, the children of Israel, among them. He would slaughter their sons and spare their women. He was among those who spread corruption.
ونريد أن نمن على الذين استضعفوا في الأرض ونجعلهم أئمة ونجعلهم الوارثين.
And we will that we bestow favor upon those who are weakened in the earth, and make them leaders and make them inheritors of wealth and land.
ونمكن لهم في الأرض ونري فرعون وهامان وجنودهما منهم ما كانوا يحذرون.
And we shall grant them power in the earth, and we will show Pharaoh, Haman, and their armies that which they feared from them.
وأوحينا إلى أم موسى أن أرضعيه فإذا خفت عليه فألقيه في اليم ولا تخافي ولا تحزني إنا رادوه إليك وجاعلوه من المرسلين.
And we inspired Musa's mother, suckle him. So when you fear for him, then place him in the river, and neither fear nor grieve. Indeed, we shall return him to you, and will make him among the messengers.
فالتقطه آل فرعون ليكون لهم عدوا وحزنا إن فرعون وهامان وجنودهما كانوا خاطئين.
So the family of Pharaoh picked him up that he might become an enemy and grief for them. Certainly, Pharaoh, Haman, and their armies were wrongdoers.
وقالت امرأة فرعون قرة عين لي ولك لا تقتلوه عسى أن ينفعنا أو نتخذه ولدا وهم لا يشعرون.
The wife of Pharaoh said, "This child is a pleasure to the eye for me and you. Do not kill him. Perhaps he will benefit us, or we can adopt him as a son." And they did not perceive.
وأصبح فؤاد أم موسى فارغا إن كادت لتبدي به لولا أن ربطنا على قلبها لتكون من المؤمنين.
And by morning, the heart of Musa's mother became restless. It was near that she would have revealed him had we not strengthened her heart, that she may remain among those who were certain of our promise.
وقالت لأخته قصيه فبصرت به عن جنب وهم لا يشعرون.
And his mother said to his sister, "Follow him." So she, i.e. his sister, watched him from afar while they, i.e. the people of Pharaoh, did not perceive.
وحرمنا عليه المراضع من قبل فقالت هل أدلكم على أهل بيت يكفلونه لكم وهم له ناصحون.
And we had already forbidden the foster mothers for him. So she, i.e. his sister, said, "Shall I guide you to a household that may raise him for you, and they are also caring towards him?"
فرددناه إلى أمه كي تقر عينها ولا تحزن ولتعلم أن وعد الله حق ولكن أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
So we returned him to his mother that she might be comforted, and she does not grieve, and she may come to know that indeed the promise of Allah is true. However, most of them do not know.
ولما بلغ أشده واستوى آتيناه حكما وعلما وكذلك نجزي المحسنين.
And when Musa reached his youth and came of age, we endowed him with wisdom and knowledge, and thus we recompense the righteous.
ودخل المدينة على حين غفلة من أهلها فوجد فيها رجلين يقتتلان هذا من شيعته وهذا من عدوه فاستغاثه الذي من شيعته على الذي من عدوه فوكزه موسى فقضى عليه قال هذا من عمل الشيطان إنه عدو مضل مبين.
And he entered the city during the time of siesta for its inhabitants, finding there two men fighting, one who was from his group and the other from his enemies. So the one who was from his group sought his help against the one who was from his enemies. Musa struck him with his fist and finished him. He said, "This is from the work of Satan. He is an open, misguiding enemy."
قال رب إني ظلمت نفسي فاغفر لي فغفر له إنه هو الغفور الرحيم.
He said, "O my Lord, I have wronged myself, so forgive me." Then he, Allah, forgave him. He is the most forgiving, the most merciful.
قال رب بما أنعمت علي فلن أكون ظهيرا للمجرمين.
He said, "O my Lord, by the favor that you have bestowed upon me, I shall never be a helper for the wrongdoers."
فأصبح في المدينة خائفا يترقب فإذا الذي استنصره بالأمس يستصرخه قال له موسى إنك لغوي مبين.
So he spent the morning in the city waiting in fear. Then suddenly he saw the one who had sought help from him the day before calling out to him for help. Musa said to him, "Indeed you are an open transgressor."
فلما أن أراد أن يبطش بالذي هو عدو لهما قال يا موسى أتريد أن تقتلني كما قتلت نفسا بالأمس إن تريد إلا أن تكون جبارا في الأرض وما تريد أن تكون من المصلحين.
So when he intended to seize the one who was an enemy to both of them, he, the Israelite, said, "O Musa, do you intend to kill me just as you killed a man yesterday? You only desire to become an aggressor in the earth, and you do not desire to be among the reformers."
وجاء رجل من أقصى المدينة يسعى قال يا موسى إن الملأ يأتمرون بك ليقتلوك فاخرج إني لك من الناصحين.
And a man came running from the furthest part of the city. He said, "O Musa, the courtiers are consulting one another about you, that they should kill you, so leave at once. Indeed, I am among those who care for you."
فخرج منها خائفا يترقب قال رب نجني من القوم الظالمين.
So he departed from it, i.e., the city, in fear, waiting. He said, O my Lord, grant me salvation from the oppressive people.
ولما توجه تلقاء مدين قال عسى ربي أن يهديني سواء السبيل.
And when he turned his face towards Midian, he said, Soon my Lord will show me the straight path.
ولما ورد ماء مدين وجد عليه أمة من الناس يسقون ووجد من دونهم امرأتين تذودان قال ما خطبكما قالتا لا نسقي حتى يصدر الرعاء وأبونا شيخ كبير.
And when he approached the water of Midian, he found a group of people there watering their animals. Apart from them, he found 2 women who were restraining their animals. He said, What is the matter with you? They said, We do not water our animals until the shepherds take their animals back, and our father is a very old man.
فسقى لهما ثم تولى إلى الظل فقال رب إني لما أنزلت إلي من خير فقير.
So he watered their animals for them. Then he turned towards the shade and said, O my Lord, I am in need of whatever good you may send down upon me.
فجاءته إحداهما تمشي على استحياء قالت إن أبي يدعوك ليجزيك أجر ما سقيت لنا فلما جاءه وقص عليه القصص قال لا تخف نجوت من القوم الظالمين.
So one of the 2 women approached Musa bashfully and said, My father calls you, that he may recompense you with reward for having watered our animals for us. So when he came to him and related his account to him, he said, Do not fear, you have attained salvation from the oppressors.
قالت إحداهما يا أبت استأجره إن خير من استأجرت القوي الأمين.
One of the 2 women said, O my father, seek his service. The best one you can hire is the strong, the trustworthy.
قال إني أريد أن أنكحك إحدى ابنتي هاتين على أن تأجرني 8 حجج فإن أتممت 10 فمن عندك وما أريد أن أشق عليك ستجدني إن شاء الله من الصالحين.
He, the father, said, Indeed, I intend to give one of my 2 daughters to you in marriage on condition, i.e., mahar, that you work for me for 8 years. Then if you complete 10 years, i.e., this addition will be from you. And I do not want to burden you. If Allah wills, you will find me to be among the righteous.
قال ذلك بيني وبينك أيما الأجلين قضيت فلا عدوان علي والله على ما نقول وكيل.
He, Musa, said, this i.e. agreement is between me and you, whichever of the two durations I complete, so I will not be obliged thereafter, and Allah is a guardian over what we are saying.
فلما قضى موسى الأجل وسار بأهله آنس من جانب الطور نارا قال لأهلهم كثوا إني آنست نارا لعلي آتيكم منها بخبر أو جذوة من النار لعلكم تصطلون.
When Musa completed the duration and set off with his wife, he noticed a fire towards Mount Sinai. He said to his wife, "Stay here. I have seen a fire. Perhaps I can bring to you news from it, or a firebrand, that you may obtain heat."
فلما أتاها نودي من شاطئ الوادي الأيمن في البقعة المباركة من الشجرة أن يا موسى إني أنا الله رب العالمين.
When he came to it, he was called from the far right of the valley in the sacred land, from the tree, "O Musa, indeed I am Allah, Lord of all the worlds."
وأن ألق عصاك فلما رآها تهتز كأنها جان ولا مدبرا ولم يعقب يا موسى أقبل ولا تخف إنك من الآمنين.
And cast your staff. So when he saw it slithering as if it were a snake, he withdrew with his back turned, and he did not look back. So we said, "O Musa, come forth and fear not. You are among those who are safe and sound."
أسلك يدك في جيبك تخرج بيضاء من غير سوء واضمم إليك جناحك من الرهب فذلك برهانان من ربك إلى فرعون وملئه إنهم كانوا قوما فاسقين.
Place your hand in your collar. It will come out shining white without any blemish. And draw your hand to yourself to remove fear. So these are two great proofs from your Lord to Pharaoh and his courtiers. They are disobedient people.
قال رب إني قتلت منهم نفسا فأخاف أن يقتلون.
He, Musa, said, "O my Lord, I have killed a man from among them, so I fear that they will kill me.
وأخي هارون هو أفصح مني لسانا فأرسله معي يرد أن يصدقني إني أخاف أن يكذبون.
And my brother Harun, he is more eloquent than me in speech. So make him a messenger to help me that he may confirm me. I fear that they will deny me."
قال سنشد عضدك بأخيك ونجعل لكما سلطانا فلا يصلون إليكما بآياتنا أنتما ومن اتبعكما الغالبون.
He, Allah, said, "We will soon strengthen your arm through your brother, and we will grant both of you supremacy so they will do you no harm due to our signs. Both of you and those who follow you will be predominant."
فلما جاءهم موسى بآياتنا بينات قالوا ما هذا إلا سحر مفترى وما سمعنا بهذا في آبائنا الأولين.
So when Musa came to them with our clear signs, they said, "This is only fabricated sorcery, and we did not hear of this from our forefathers."
وقال موسى ربي أعلم بمن جاء بالهدى من عنده ومن تكون له عاقبة الدار إنه لا يفلح الظالمون.
And Musa said, "My Lord knows best he who brings guidance from his court, and for whom there will be the good outcome of the abode in the hereafter. Indeed, oppressors will not succeed."
وقال فرعون يا أيها الملأ ما علمت لكم من إله غيري فأوقد لي يا هامان على الطين فاجعل لي صرحا لعلي أطلع إلى إله موسى وإني لأظنه من الكاذبين.
Pharaoh said, "O courtiers, I do not know of any God other than me for you. Haman, ignite a fire for me upon clay, then make for me a towering palace. Perhaps I may look upon the God of Musa, and indeed I consider him to be among the liars."
واستكبر هو وجنوده في الأرض بغير الحق وظنوا أنهم إلينا لا يرجعون.
And he and his army resorted to arrogance in the earth unjustly, and they thought that they will not be returned to us.
فأخذناه وجنوده فنبذناهم في اليم فانظر كيف كان عاقبة الظالمين.
So we seized him and his army, then cast them into the river. So see what became of the oppressors.
وجعلناهم أئمة يدعون إلى النار ويوم القيامة لا ينصرون.
And we made them leaders calling towards the fire, and on the day of judgment they will not be helped.
وأتبعناهم في هذه الدنيا لعنة ويوم القيامة هم من المقبوحين.
And we caused a curse to pursue them in this world, and on the day of judgment they will be among those who are in a terrible state.
ولقد آتينا موسى الكتاب من بعد ما أهلكنا القرون الأولى بصائر للناس وهدى بصائر للناس وهدى ورحمة لعلهم يتذكرون.
And we certainly granted Musa the book after we had destroyed the previous nations, sources of insight for people and guidance and mercy that they may attain advice.
وما كنت بجانب الغربي إذ قضينا إلى موسى الأمر وما كنت من الشاهدين.
And you were not at the western side of Mount Sinai when we decreed the command to Musa, and you were not among those who were present.
ولكننا أنشأنا قرونا فتطاول عليهم العمر وما كنت ثاويا في أهل مدين تتلو عليهم آياتنا ولكننا كنا مرسلين.
However, we created many nations so their lives became long, and you were not residing among the people of Midian, reciting our verses to them. However, we send messengers.
وما كنت بجانب الطور إذ نادينا ولكن رحمة من ربك لتنذر قوما ما أتاهم من نذير من قبلك لعلهم يتذكرون.
And you were not at the side of Mount Sinai when we called Musa. However, it is mercy from your Lord that you may warn the nation to whom no warner has come before you, with this hope that they will attain advice.
ولولا أن تصيبهم مصيبة بما قدمت أيديهم فيقولوا ربنا لولا أرسلت إلينا رسولا فنتبع آياتك ونكون من المؤمنين.
And we sent you to them lest a calamity of hellfire should befall them due to what their hands sent forth. And they say, why did you not send a messenger to us, that we may have followed your verses and been among the people of faith?
فلما جاءهم الحق من عندنا قالوا لولا أوتي مثل ما أوتي موسى أولم يكفروا بما أوتي موسى من قبل قالوا سحران تظاهرا وقالوا إنا بكل كافرون.
So when the truth came to them from our court, they said, why was this prophet not granted the like of that which was granted to Musa? Did they not disbelieve in what was given to Musa previously? They said, two kinds of sorcery, supporting each other. They said, indeed we deny them all.
قل فأتوا بكتاب من عند الله هو أهدى منهما أتبعه إن كنتم صادقين.
Say, bring forth a book from the court of Allah which is better in guidance than both of them if you are truthful. I will follow it.
فإن لم يستجيبوا لك فاعلم أنما يتبعون أهواءهم ومن أضل ممن اتبع هواه بغير هدى من الله إن الله لا يهدي القوم الظالمين.
So if they do not accept your proposal, then know that they are only following their desires. And who is more misguided than he who followed his desire without guidance from Allah? Surely Allah does not guide oppressive people.
وَلَقَدْ وَصَّلْنَا لَهُمُ الْقَوْلَ لَعَلَّهُمْ يَتَذَكَّرُونَ.
And we certainly sent the word to them continuously that they may accept advice.
الَّذِينَ آتَيْنَاهُمُ الْكِتَابَ مِنْ قَبْلِهِ هُمْ بِهِ يُؤْمِنُونَ.
Those to whom we gave the book before it, the Quran, they believe in it.
وَإِذَا يُتْلَى عَلَيْهِمْ قَالُوا آمَنَّا بِهِ إِنَّهُ الْحَقُّ مِنْ رَبِّنَا إِنَّا كُنَّا مِنْ قَبْلِهِ مُسْلِمِينَ.
And when it is recited to them, they say, we believe in it. Indeed, it is the truth from our Lord. We had already become obedient before it.
أُولَئِكَ يُؤْتَوْنَ أَجْرَهُم مَّرَّتَيْنِ بِمَا صَبَرُوا وَيَدْرَءُونَ بِالْحَسَنَةِ السَّيِّئَةَ وَمِمَّا رَزَقْنَاهُمْ يُنْفِقُونَ.
They will be granted their reward, doubled as they were patient, and they would repel evil with good, and they spend in our way from the sustenance we have provided them.
وَإِذَا سَمِعُوا اللَّغْوَ أَعْرَضُوا عَنْهُ وَقَالُوا لَنَا أَعْمَالُنَا وَلَكُمْ أَعْمَالُكُمْ سلام عليكم لا نبتغي الجاهلين.
And when they hear indecent speech, they turn away from it and they say, our deeds are for us, and your deeds are for you. Peace, salam be upon you. We do not desire the company of the ignorant.
إنك لا تهدي من أحببت ولكن الله يهدي من يشاء وهو أعلم بالمهتدين.
You cannot guide whomsoever you want of your own accord. However, Allah guides whomsoever He wills, and He knows best those who have been guided.
وقالوا إن نتبع الهدى معك نتخطف من أرضنا أولم نمكن لهم حرما آمنا يجبى إليه ثمرات كل شيء رزقا من لدنا ولكن أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
And they say, if we follow guidance with you, we shall be banished from this land. Did we not give them residence in the peaceful sacred land, i.e. Mecca, to which fruits of all things are brought as sustenance from us? However, most of them do not know.
وَكَمْ أَهْلَكْنَا مِنْ قَرْيَةٍ بَطِرَتْ مَعِيشَتَهَا فَتِلْكَ مَسَاكِنُهُمْ لَمْ تُسْكَنْ مِنْ بَعْدِهِمْ إِلَّا قَلِيلًا وَكُنَّا نَحْنُ الْوَارِثِينَ.
And how many cities have we destroyed that were arrogant in their enjoyment? So these are their abodes. No residence has been taken therein after them but little, and we are the inheritors.
وما كان ربك مهلك القرى حتى يبعث في أمها رسولا يتلو عليهم آياتنا وما كنا مهلك القرى إلا وأهلها ظالمون.
And it is not the way of your Lord to destroy cities until he sends a messenger to their central city who recites our verses to them. And we do not destroy cities except when their inhabitants are oppressors.
وما أوتيتم من شيء فمتاع الحياة الدنيا وزينتها وما عند الله خير وأبقى أفلا تعقلون.
And O people, that which you are granted from anything is the provision of the worldly life and its adornment, and that which is with Allah is better and more lasting. Do you not understand?
أفمن وعدناه وعدا حسنا فهو لاقيه كمن متعناه متاع الحياة الدنيا ثم هو يوم القيامة من المحضرين.
So is he to whom we have promised a good promise, which he will receive, like him whom we have granted only provision of worldly life to take benefit from? Then he will be from those who are presented after being seized on the day of judgment.
وَيَوْمَ يُنَادِيهِمْ فَيَقُولُ أَيْنَ شُرَكَائِيَ الَّذِينَ كُنتُمْ تَزْعُمُونَ.
And remember the day he will call them. So he will say, where are those partners of mine whom you used to consider equals?
قال الذين حق عليهم القول ربنا هؤلاء الذين أغويناهم كما غوينا تبرأنا إليك ما كانوا إيانا يعبدون.
Those against whom the word has been established will say, O our Lord, these are the very people we led astray. We led them astray just as we went astray. We disaffiliate and return to you. They were not worshipping us.
وقيل ادعوا شركاءكم فدعوهم فلم يستجيبوا لهم ورأوا العذاب لو أنهم كانوا يهتدون.
And it will be said, call upon your associate gods. So they will call them, but they will not answer them. And they will see the punishment, if only they had attained guidance.
وَيَوْمَ يُنَادِيهِمْ فَيَقُولُ مَاذَا أَجَبْتُمُ الْمُرْسَلِينَ.
And the day he will call them, so he will say, O people, what answer did you give to the messengers?
فعميت عليهم الأنباء يومئذ فهم لا يتساءلون.
So news will become concealed to them on that day, so they will not ask one another.
فأما من تاب وآمن وعمل صالحا فعسى أن يكون من المفلحين.
As for he who repented and believed and performed righteous deeds, so it is near that he will be among the successful.
وربك يخلق ما يشاء ويختار ما كان لهم الخيرة سبحان الله وتعالى عما يشركون.
And your Lord creates what he wills and prefers what he wills. There is no authority for them, i.e., the polytheists. Allah is pure and exalted above what they ascribe as partners.
وَرَبُّكَ يَعْلَمُ مَا تُكِنُّ صُدُورُهُمْ وَمَا يُعْلِنُونَ.
And your Lord knows what their hearts conceal and what they reveal.
وهو الله لا إله إلا هو له الحمد في الأولى والآخرة وله الحكم وإليه ترجعون.
And he is Allah. There is no God except him. All praise in this world and the hereafter is for him alone. And the command is for him alone, and to him alone you will be returned.
قل أرأيتم إن جعل الله عليكم الليل سرمدا إلى يوم القيامة من إله غير الله يأتيكم بضياء أفلا تسمعون.
Say, consider if Allah makes it night over you permanently until the day of judgment. Which God other than Allah will bring light to you? Do you not listen?
قل أرأيتم إن جعل الله عليكم النهار سرمدا إلى يوم القيامة من إله غير الله يأتيكم بليل من إله غير الله يأتيكم بليل تسكنون فيه أفلا تبصرون.
Say, consider, if Allah makes day over you permanently until the day of judgment, which God other than Allah will bring night to you in which you may rest? Do you not see?
ومن رحمته جعل لكم الليل والنهار لتسكنوا فيه ولتبتغوا من فضله ولعلكم تشكرون.
And from his mercy he has made the night and the day for you, that you may rest therein and seek his grace respectively, and that you may express gratitude.
ويوم يناديهم فيقول أين شركائي الذين كنتم تزعمون.
And remember the day he shall call them, so he will say, where are those partners of mine whom you used to consider equals?
ونزعنا من كل أمة شهيدا فقلنا هاتوا برهانكم فعلموا أن الحق لله وضل عنهم ما كانوا يفترون.
And from every group we shall bring forth a witness. Then we will say, bring forth your evidence, so they will come to know that the truth is for Allah, and what they fabricated will disappear from them.
إن قارون كان من قوم موسى فبغى عليهم وآتيناه من الكنوز ما إن مفاتحه لتنوء بالعصبة أولي القوة إذ قال له قومه لا تفرح إن الله لا يحب الفرحين.
Indeed, Qarun was from the nation of Musa. Then he transgressed against them, and we had granted him so much treasure that its keys were certainly burdensome for a group of strong individuals. When his nation said to him, "Do not be vain, Allah does not like the conceited."
وابتغ فيما آتاك الله الدار الآخرة ولا تنس نصيبك من الدنيا وأحسن كما أحسن الله إليك ولا تبغ الفساد في الأرض إن الله لا يحب المفسدين.
And seek the abode of the hereafter with that which Allah granted you, and do not forget your share from the world, and do good just as Allah has bestowed goodness upon you, and do not seek discord in the land. Allah does not like those who spread discord.
قال إنما أوتيته على علم عندي أولم يعلم أن الله قد أهلك من قبله من القرون من هو أشد منه قوة وأكثر جمعا ولا يسأل عن ذنوبهم المجرمون.
He, Qarun, said, "This was given to me due to knowledge which I possess. So does he not know that Allah has destroyed nations before him who were stronger than him and had amassed more? And the evildoers are not questioned about their sins."
فخرج على قومه في زينته قال الذين يريدون الحياة الدنيا يا ليت لنا مثل ما أوتي قارون إنه لذو حظ عظيم.
So he came forth to his nation in his adornment. So those who desired the life of this world said, "Alas, would that we were granted the same as Qarun was granted. Indeed, he is a possessor of great fortune."
وقال الذين أوتوا العلم ويلكم ثواب الله خير لمن آمن وعمل صالحا ولا يلقاها إلا الصابرون.
And those who were granted knowledge said, "Destruction for you! The reward of Allah is better for the one who believes and performs righteous deeds, and this will only be given to the patient."
فخسفنا به وبداره الأرض فما كان له من فئة ينصرونه من دون الله وما كان من المنتصرين.
So we caused him and his house to sink into the earth. So he had no group to help him against Allah, and he could not help himself.
وأصبح الذين تمنوا مكانه بالأمس يقولون ويك أن الله يبسط الرزق لمن يشاء من عباده لولا أمن الله علينا لخسف بنا وكأنه لا يفلح الكافرون.
And those who coveted his position yesterday began to say, "It is strange that Allah increases sustenance for whomsoever He wills from His people, and He lessens too. Had Allah not bestowed favour upon us, He would certainly have caused us to sink into the earth too. It is strange that the disbelievers do not succeed."
تلك الدار الآخرة نجعلها للذين لا يريدون علوا في الأرض ولا فسادا والعاقبة للمتقين.
This abode of the hereafter we create for those who neither seek supremacy in the earth nor discord, and the good outcome is only for the pious.
من جاء بالحسنة فله خير منها ومن جاء بالسيئة فلا يجزى الذين عملوا السيئات إلا ما كانوا يعملون.
Whosoever brings a good deed, then for him there is something better than it. And whosoever brings an evil deed, then those who commit evil will only be recompensed according to what they used to do.
إن الذي فرض عليك القرآن لرادك إلى معاد قل ربي أعلم من جاء بالهدى ومن هو في ضلال مبين.
Indeed, He who has made the Quran compulsory for you, He will certainly bring you to the place of return. Say, my Lord knows best the one who has brought guidance and the one who is in clear misguidance.
وما كنت ترجو أن يلقى إليك الكتاب إلا رحمة من ربك فلا تكونن ظهيرا للكافرين.
And you had no hope that a book will be revealed to you, but it is mercy from your Lord. So never be a helper for the disbelievers.
ولا يصدنك عن آيات الله بعد إذ أنزلت إليك وادع إلى ربك ولا تكونن من المشركين.
And they should never prevent you from the verses of Allah after they have been revealed to you. And call to your Lord and never be among the polytheists.
ولا تدع مع الله إلها آخر لا إله إلا هو كل شيء هالك إلا وجهه له الحكم وإليه ترجعون.
And do not worshipfully invoke a God alongside Allah. There is no God except Him, and everything is mortal except His existence, and the command is for Him alone, and to Him alone you will be returned. Surah Al-Ankabut, the spider. This surah is Meccan, containing 7 sections and 69 verses.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the infinitely gracious, the most merciful.
ألف لام ميم.
Alif Lam Mim.
أحسب الناس أن يتركوا أن يقولوا آمنا وهم لا يفتنون.
people think they will be left as they say we believe and they will not be tested?
وَلَقَدْ فَتَنَّا الَّذِينَ مِن قَبْلِهِمْ فَلَيَعْلَمَنَّ اللَّهُ الَّذِينَ صَدَقُوا وَلَيَعْلَمَنَّ الْكَاذِبِينَ.
And we certainly tested those who preceded you. So Allah will most definitely see those who are truthful, and He will most definitely see the liars.
أَمْ حَسِبَ الَّذِينَ يَعْمَلُونَ السَّيِّئَاتِ أَنْ يَسْبِقُونَا سَاءَ مَا يَحْكُمُونَ.
Or do those who commit evil think they will escape us? What a terrible decision they make.
مَنْ كَانَ يَرْجُو لِقَاءَ اللَّهِ فَإِنَّ أَجَلَ اللَّهِ لَآتٍ وَهُوَ السَّمِيعُ الْعَلِيمُ.
Whosoever hopes to meet Allah, so indeed the appointed time of Allah will come, and He is the all-hearing, the all-knowing.
وَمَنْ جَاهَدَ فَإِنَّمَا يُجَاهِدُ لِنَفْسِهِ إِنَّ اللَّهَ لَغَنِيٌّ عَنِ الْعَالَمِينَ.
And whosoever strives, then he strives for his soul. Indeed, Allah is independent of all the worlds.
وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ لَنُكَفِّرَنَّ عَنْهُمْ سَيِّئَاتِهِمْ ولنجزينهم أحسن الذي كانوا يعملون.
And those who believed and performed righteous deeds, we shall most definitely erase their sins from them, and we will most certainly recompense them for the best of their deeds.
وَوَصَّيْنَا الْإِنسَانَ بِوَالِدَيْهِ حُسْنًا وَإِن جَاهَدَاكَ لِتُشْرِكَ بِي مَا لَيْسَ لَكَ بِهِ عِلْمٌ فَلَا تُطِعْهُمَا إِلَيَّ مَرْجِعُكُمْ فَأُنَبِّئُكُم بِمَا كُنتُمْ تَعْمَلُونَ.
And we have enjoined kindness upon man to his parents. And if they strive to make you ascribe a partner to me, which you have no knowledge of, then do not obey them. To me alone is your return. Then I will relate to you your deeds.
وَالَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ لَنُدْخِلَنَّهُمْ فِي الصَّالِحِينَ.
And those who believe and do righteous deeds, so we shall certainly include them among the righteous.
وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَن يَقُولُ آمَنَّا بِاللَّهِ فَإِذَا أُوذِيَ فِي اللَّهِ جَعَلَ فِتْنَةَ النَّاسِ كَعَذَابِ اللَّهِ وَلَئِن جَاءَ نَصْرٌ مِّن رَّبِّكَ لَيَقُولُنَّ إِنَّا كُنَّا مَعَكُمْ أَوَلَيْسَ اللَّهُ بِأَعْلَمَ بِمَا فِي صُدُورِ الْعَالَمِينَ.
And among people there are those who say, we believe in Allah. Then when they are afflicted in the way of Allah, they equate the discord of the people to the punishment of Allah. And if there comes aid from your Lord, they will most certainly say, indeed we were with you. Does Allah not know best that which is in the hearts of people in all the worlds?
وَلَيَعْلَمَنَّ اللَّهُ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَلَيَعْلَمَنَّ الْمُنَافِقِينَ.
And Allah will definitely reveal the believers, and He will definitely reveal the hypocrites.
وقال الذين كفروا للذين آمنوا اتبعوا سبيلنا ولنحمل خطاياكم وما هم بحاملين من خطاياهم من شيء إنهم لكاذبون.
And the disbelievers said to the believers, "If you follow our way, we shall bear the burden of your sins, and yet they will not bear any burden of their sins. Surely they are liars."
وَلَيَحْمِلُنَّ أَثْقَالَهُمْ وَأَثْقَالًا مَعَ أَثْقَالِهِمْ وَلَيُسْأَلُنَّ يَوْمَ الْقِيَامَةِ عَمَّا كَانُوا يَفْتَرُونَ.
And they will most definitely bear their own burden and a burden with their burden. And on the day of judgment, they will most certainly be questioned about what they used to fabricate.
وَلَقَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا نُوحًا إِلَىٰ قَوْمِهِ فَلَبِثَ فِيهِمْ أَلْفَ سَنَةٍ إِلَّا 50 عَامًا فَأَخَذَهُمُ الطُّوفَانُ وَهُمْ ظَالِمُونَ.
And we certainly sent Nuh to his nation. So he resided among them for 1,000 years less 50 years. Then the storm seized them, and they were oppressors.
فَأَنْجَيْنَاهُ وَأَصْحَابَ السَّفِينَةِ وَجَعَلْنَاهَا آيَةً لِلْعَالَمِينَ.
So we granted salvation to him and the people of the ark, and made it a sign for all the worlds.
وَإِبْرَاهِيمَ إِذْ قَالَ لِقَوْمِهِ اعْبُدُوا اللَّهَ وَاتَّقُوهُ ذَلِكُمْ خَيْرٌ لَكُمْ إِن كُنتُمْ تَعْلَمُونَ.
And remember Ibrahim when he said to his nation, "Worship Allah and fear Him. This is better for you if you know."
إنما تعبدون من دون الله أوثانا وتخلقون إفكا إن الذين تعبدون من دون الله لا يملكون لكم رزقا فابتغوا عند الله الرزق واعبدوه واشكروا له إليه ترجعون.
You worship idols instead of Allah, and you invent lies. Those whom you worship alongside Allah have no ownership of sustenance for you. So seek sustenance with Allah and worship Him and thank Him, and you will be returned to Him.
وَإِن تُكَذِّبُوا فَقَدْ كَذَّبَ مِن قَبْلِكُمْ وَمَا عَلَى الرَّسُولِ إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ الْمُبِينُ.
And if you deny, then certainly nations denied before you, and it is only incumbent upon the messenger to convey clear preaching.
أَوَلَمْ يَرَوْا كَيْفَ يُبْدِئُ اللَّهُ الْخَلْقَ ثُمَّ يُعِيدُهُ إِنَّ ذَلِكَ عَلَى اللَّهِ يَسِيرٌ.
And did they not see how Allah originated creation? Then He will create it again. This is very easy for Allah.
قُلْ سِيرُوا فِي الْأَرْضِ فَانظُرُوا كَيْفَ بَدَأَ الْخَلْقَ ثُمَّ اللَّهُ يُنشِئُ النَّشْأَةَ الْآخِرَةَ إِنَّ اللَّهَ عَلَى كُلِّ شَيْءٍ قَدِيرٌ.
Say, explore the earth, then see how Allah originated the creation. Then Allah will create a second time. Allah has power over everything.
يعذب من يشاء ويرحم من يشاء وإليه تقلبون.
He punishes whomsoever He wills, and He bestows mercy upon whomsoever He wills, and you will be returned to Him.
وما أنتم بمعجزين في الأرض ولا في السماء وما لكم من دون الله من ولي ولا نصير.
And you can neither overpower in the earth nor in the sky. And apart from Allah, you neither have an ally nor a helper.
والذين كفروا بآيات الله ولقائه أولئك يئسوا من رحمتي وأولئك لهم عذاب أليم.
Those who denied the verses of Allah and meeting Him, they are the very people who are in despair of my mercy, and there is painful punishment for them.
فما كان جواب قومه إلا أن قالوا اقتلوه أو حرقوه فأنجاه الله من النار. إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يؤمنون.
So the answer of his nation was only this, that they said, kill him or burn him. Then Allah granted him salvation from the fire. In this there are signs for people of faith.
وقال إنما اتخذتم من دون الله أوثانا مودة بينكم في الحياة الدنيا ثم يوم القيامة يكفر بعضكم ببعض ويلعن بعضكم بعضا ومأواكم النار وما لكم من ناصرين.
And he, Ibrahim, said, you made idols objects of worship instead of Allah out of friendship between yourselves in the life of this world? Then on the day of judgment, some of you will deny others, and some of you will curse others, and your abode is the fire, and there is no helper for you.
فآمن له لوط وقال إني مهاجر إلى ربي إنه هو العزيز الحكيم.
So Lut affirmed him, Ibrahim, and he, Ibrahim, said, I am emigrating to my Lord. He is the most exalted, the most wise.
ووهبنا له إسحاق ويعقوب وجعلنا في ذريته النبوة والكتاب وآتيناه أجره في الدنيا وإنه في الآخرة لمن الصالحين.
And we granted him Ishaq, a son, and Yaqub, a grandson. We placed prophethood and the book in his progeny, and we granted him its reward in this world. Indeed, in the hereafter he will be among the chosen people.
ولوطا إذ قال لقومه إنكم لتأتون الفاحشة ما سبقكم بها من أحد من العالمين.
And And remember Lut when he said to his nation, Indeed, you commit an act of indecency which was never done prior to you by anyone in the world.
أَإِنَّكُمْ لَتَأْتُونَ الرِّجَالَ وَتَقْطَعُونَ السَّبِيلَ وَتَأْتُونَ فِي نَادِيكُمُ الْمُنكَرَ فما كان جواب قومه إلا أن قالوا ائتنا بعذاب الله إن كنت من الصادقين.
Do you sodomize men and obstruct the path and commit evil into your congregations? So the answer of his nation was only this, that they said, Bring upon us the punishment of Allah if you are among the truthful.
قال رب انصرني على القوم المفسدين.
He, Lut, said, O my Lord, help me against these people who spread discord.
ولما جاءت رسلنا إبراهيم بالبشرى قالوا إنا مهلكو أهل هذه القرية إن أهلها كانوا ظالمين.
When our messengers, i.e., angels, came to Ibrahim with glad tidings, they said, Indeed, we will destroy the inhabitants of this city. Indeed, its inhabitants are oppressors.
قال إن فيها لوطا قالوا نحن أعلم بمن فيها لننجينه وأهله إلا امرأته كانت من الغابرين.
He said, Indeed, Lut is among them. They said, We are well aware of who is there. We shall most definitely grant salvation to him and his family, except his wife. She is of those who will remain behind.
ولما أن جاءت رسلنا لوطا سيء بهم وضاق بهم ذرعا وقالوا لا تخف ولا تحزن إنا منجوك وأهلك إلا امرأتك كانت من الغابرين.
When our messengers came to Lut, he became anxious for them and restless at heart, out of concern for them. And they said, Fear not, nor grieve. We shall save you and your family, except your wife. She is of those who will remain behind.
إنا منزلون على أهل هذه القرية رجزا من السماء بما كانوا يفسقون.
Certainly we will cause punishment to descend upon this city from the sky as they were disobeying.
ولقد تركنا منها آية بينة لقوم يعقلون.
And we certainly left a clear sign therein for the people of intelligence.
وإلى مدين أخاهم شعيبا فقال يا قوم اعبدوا الله وارجوا اليوم الآخر ولا تعثوا في الأرض مفسدين.
And to Midian we sent their kinsman Shu'aib. He said, My nation, worship Allah and have hope in the last day, and do not roam around the earth spreading discord.
فكذبوه فأخذتهم الرجفة فأصبحوا في دارهم جاثمين.
So they denied him. Then an earthquake seized them. So by morning they remained in their homes fallen upon their knees.
وعادا وثمود وقد تبين لكم من مساكنهم وزين لهم الشيطان أعمالهم فصدهم عن السبيل وكانوا مستبصرين.
And we destroyed Ad and Thamud, and their places of residence have become apparent to you. And Satan adorned their deeds for them, so he prevented them from the path, even though they were perceptive.
وقارون وفرعون وهامان ولقد جاءهم موسى بالبينات فاستكبروا في الأرض وما كانوا سابقين.
And we destroyed Qarun, Pharaoh, and Haman. Certainly Musa came to them with clear signs, then they expressed arrogance in the earth, and they were not going to escape us.
فَكُلًّا أَخَذْنَا بِذَنبِهِ فَمِنْهُمْ مَنْ أَرْسَلْنَا عَلَيْهِ حَاصِبًا وَمِنْهُمْ مَنْ أَخَذَتْهُ الصَّيْحَةُ وَمِنْهُمْ مَنْ خَسَفْنَا بِهِ الْأَرْضَ وَمِنْهُمْ مَنْ أَغْرَقْنَا وَمَا كَانَ اللَّهُ لِيَظْلِمَهُمْ وَلَكِنْ كَانُوا أَنفُسَهُمْ يَظْلِمُونَ.
So we seized every one of them due to his sins. So among them was he upon whom we sent down rocks, and among them was he who was seized by the piercing cry, and among them was he who we sunk into the earth, and among them was he who we drowned. And it did not befit the greatness of Allah that he oppresses them, rather they oppressed themselves.
مثل الذين اتخذوا من دون الله أولياء كمثل العنكبوت اتخذت بيتا وإن أوهن البيوت لبيت العنكبوت لو كانوا يعلمون.
The example of those who have taken helpers other than Allah is like that of the spider, which made a house, i.e. web, and the weakest of houses is the spider's house, if only they knew.
إن الله يعلم ما يدعون من دونه من شيء وهو العزيز الحكيم.
Allah knows that which they worship other than Him, and He is the most exalted, the most wise.
وتلك الأمثال نضربها للناس وما يعقلها إلا العالمون.
And these are examples which we state for people, and only the scholars understand them.
خلق الله السماوات والأرض بالحق إن في ذلك لآية للمؤمنين.
Allah created the heavens and the earth with truth. In this there is a sign for people of faith.